Alrighty guys, today we're going to show you how to replace a pull chain. This Lakeside, this piece of crap that's going to be going to Aiden, has a bit of a bad light pull chain. We'll show you how to replace a light pull chain. It won't pull right anymore. I pulled it a little too hard and it won't pull right. So we're going to show you guys how to replace a pull chain on a ceiling fan. Well, with this type of fan, it's a little different taking it off, but you'll find two screws, usually on a switch cap, that you have to take off the switch cap, or it'll be like this where the whole thing comes off. And so you basically unscrew the screws and then you pull it out. Keep those screws safe, otherwise you'll probably lose them. So now you're up in here. Normally the pull chain will usually be on the bottom, the light pull chain. Which one is the light pull chain? It's the one with two wires. That's pretty much going to always be the same thing, I believe. Make sure that doesn't get unwired. Now, that's a fan pull chain. That one's fine. And that black box right there is the capacitor. We're not messing with those today. Now, what you got to do, this is, I believe, the hot wire. Well, I don't really know which one the wires are, but I know how they go. This wire right here, you have to pull out of its socket. And this wire, I have a creative way to do this so it'll save time and it'll help you guys. So let me pause the video and get that blue wire out of the thing. Now that we got that blue wire out of there, in this way, I figured out how to do it, is you need to... Where'd the light switch go? Oh, it's right there. You need to cut it. You need to cut the wire off right there. And then you take the new switch and then you connect it using wire caps. I'll show you how to do that in a bit. Now I got the old switch out of here. This one right here, this black wire, you're going to need to strip using your wire stripper. So we'll go ahead and I'll go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you how you do the rest. Now that you got your new switch right here, it's a normal fan light switch, you're gonna have to strip the blue and that black wire. Now, I'm pretty sure it don't matter which wire off the pull chain you connect, because they're both hot and they both do the same thing once connected. Alright, now let me pause the video again and strip them, and I'll show you how to put them on there. Always, guys, before I show you how to do this, if you're unsure of how to wire stuff, call a licensed electrician, because you might burn down your house, who knows. But if you're cool like me and you have confidence in yourself, yeah, go ahead and follow this tutorial and get her done. But yeah, I got those wires stripped, and I'm gonna connect these using what I have in my hand right now, wire caps. You gotta twist them and stuff, and you gotta put them inside the wire cap, inside these wire caps, and twist them. It helps to twist the wires before you put them in, but once you put them in, you twist them. So yeah, that's how you do that. Let me pause the video and I'll show you. Come on, focus. Now I've got those wired in. It doesn't matter which one of these two wires you put in. Which you can see, we pull it. Hold on. Sorry, it's taking a second. Okay, there goes the lights. Okay, pull it right. Now what you got to do is you put it through the empty hole there, and then you put the nut that was on it. This little nut right here. Oh, and then you put it in, and then to secure it. So yeah, and then after you secure it in there, you will put it back on, put the screws back on here. So yeah, that should be about it. I will pause the video and get everything set up, and then I'll show you it working again. Alright, it's now secured. Always do the method with the cutting the wire kind of halfway and then do that. Some people don't know, and then they'll have to rewire the whole light kit. Well, not rewire it, but they'll have to connect the wires all in one big thing. You don't have to do that and kill yourself doing it. Just cut the dang wire. So yeah, I'll get this light kit up here, and I'll show you the fan. It's a very bad fan, but I'll show you it anyway. Alright, I'm not going to show it with the light kit on. You can tell it works, and I'll just go ahead and do it off, get it back on off camera. You can tell it works, so yeah.